I'm going to show you how Lisa made $200,000 her first year with permanent jewelry. So, Lisa, thanks so much for being on the podcast. So, tell a little bit how we met, where we met.
So we met in October of 2023 at the Permanent Makeup Conference in Las Vegas.
Mhm.
And I was attending the PMU conference there when I discovered Jake and his Beauty Business Pro. And then you were on stage. And then when I came around to speak to you, I discovered what permanent jewelry was. And I asked you about it. I had no clue what it was, but that's how it all started at the Permanent Makeup Artist
If I
Conference.
remember correctly, you were a nurse at the time. You'd been doing that for a long time. You did permanent makeup, and you were really struggling financially.
Correct.
And then, me and you talked for a couple days. I learned your
Mhm.
story, and towards the end of the conference, you said, Jake, I really want to do this. And I could tell it was going to be good for you. And do you remember what I told you?
Yes, I do. Because I told you I cannot afford to buy into your course because at the conference we have bought everything for permanent makeup. So you were the last one on the list. And then I said, I can't afford you. I'm broke. Just really cannot afford you. But I wanted both. I wanted the beauty business part for the marketing for my permanent makeup part. And then when I discovered permanent jewelry, I wanted it also, but I couldn't afford it. And then you said that fasting was good and I should have just invest in it. And I said, okay, I'll start for another 3 or 4 months. But at that moment, I was struggling and I was taking care of my mom. I had just I needed to quit my nursing job. I was a single mom, and so I took a leap of faith and I trusted you, and that's how it all started. And from there, I went back home in October of 23. I did nothing with your business, this pro, or your jewelry because my mom got sick. And unfortunately, she passed away, but it was a good thing because had dementia. And I have been taking care of her one on one for like 5 years. So after January of 2024 is when I started studying the permanent jewelry part, and I took the Ligon course online, and then I went to, once I passed it, I started practicing, and I went to different events and tried doing it, but I couldn't do it. So in March of 2024 is when I felt comfortable enough to go do an event in my town, and that was called Festival International. And I went and set up a tent, clueless as to what I was doing, didn't have no business cards, didn't do anything. And the festival was 5 days, 10 hours a day, 10 to 12 hours a day. And I was like, oh, this is fun, this is fun. And before I knew it, I made like $32,000 that 5 days.
That's crazy.
And I don't know how I did
And
it, but I did it.
that was like your first
That
event.
was my very first event.
Wow, $32,000 your first event, and that was in 5 days.
That was 5 days,
Yeah,
yes.
and going back to the conference, I remember you're like, Jake, I'm struggling right now. I knew your situation from talking with you, and you said I can either eat or I can sign up with you. And I said fasting is good for you.
Yes, and
And
it was the
so,
best advice I ever got.
so you got
Because then
signed
I
up.
got in shape, started working out, and it's a funny story, but it wasn't funny at the moment.
Right.
But I thought he was calling me fat or something. But
No, I knew it'd be good for you. And then like let's fast forward to March of 2024. That's when you did your first event. You made
correct,
$32,000. That was right, 32.
yes.
Okay. And so
So then I had already had 3 other events signed up. So then I did April, which was another big event. It was in Jazz Fest in New Orleans, and I also killed it. Not really expecting to kill it, but I made like $20,000 to $22,000 in 4 days.
4 days, $22,000.
It was like 2 weeks after the other one.
Wow. So in a
And
matter of 2 weeks,
yes,
3 weeks, you made what?
I went from $0 to $53,000 pretty much
Wow, $53,000 in 2 weeks,
in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
So that's crazy.
And then I had signed up for the mastermind event without even knowing what mastermind was because I wanted to, and I went to PJX Thanks to you, you gave me $100 discount coupon, and I learned to weld properly. And then I learned to like what the different tools were and how to do it properly because I was still lost. And so my next event was in the car show in Mississippi. It's called Cruising the Coast. And that was a 5-day event as well. And I did very well there too. So by like in from March through October, I was already making over $100,000.
Wow. So really, in the first 6 months that you started, you had
Yes.
already made six figures.
Yes.
That's amazing.
And by the end of the year, I believe I made over 200. Because then I was doing events every weekend until the end of the year.
So yeah, basically in 9 months, because you started in
Yeah,
March,
that's
you
my
made more
first.
than most people make it in two
Yeah,
years, 3 years.
more than I have made in my nursing career, probably.
Yeah.
And I was a nurse for 35 years. So I was able to retire from nursing completely. Was able to sell my lash business. That's when I ordered my mobile unit to do permanent jewelry on the road. And so in October, after my cruise in the coast, I was able to order my mobile unit. And when I was going to pick it up is when we had Hurricane Helene. So I couldn't get it then, but I waited and got it later. So now I have my mobile unit. I no longer do lashes. I no longer do nursing. I don't do any permanent makeup. I do pro sale and permanent jewelry, and I can do it all on my mobile unit. And I go all over the United States.
Yeah, and so like the thing that I love about your story is, yes, you made a lot of money quickly and that's great, but just to give the viewers some perspective, you didn't have really fancy logos. You're
No,
not a social media guru, no offense, but
no,
you
I'm
don't do a
not.
lot of
I don't
content.
listen to Jake when he tells me to do videos on Instagram. I don't have time because I was a one solo person. And at the same time, I still have a daughter and I have family. So I still have a home to take care of, and I was doing events every weekend.
Yeah.
So it's hard work. It wasn't easy, but if you put in the time and you put in the work, it is very doable.
Yeah.
Because this year I've only done 3 events in 2025. That's 2024. This year, 2025, I've only done 3 events, and it's already paid off.
Great.
So and I'm signed up to do the Louisiana Derby. I'm signed up to do two big events. Over 50,000 to 100,000 people attend these events.
Yeah. And the reason I brought that up is because I think a lot of people think, oh, I got to have the perfect logo. I got to have tons of great content on social media. I got to do all these things.
No, I
And
didn't
yet,
even have business cards until probably the last event that I did. So a year without business cards. I know nothing about social media. I don't follow anything on social media. I am a people's person and I treat everybody the same. I guess it's the nurse in me. So
yeah, that's what I've seen is you treat people great and you're always, you say yes to opportunity. So many
correct.
people, even though an opportunity comes, they're too scared. They don't want to say yes. They don't want to do it. They want to live in fear. And then that's why most people never do anything.
Yeah.
You just say
So
yes and you go with
yeah, I
it.
say yes, even when I don't know who asked me to do an event. For example, when we were in the mastermind, I got asked to do a concert. Can't say the person, but and I was like, yes, sure. So I go do big star events privately, and it's paid off. Even if I don't want to do it, you just have to put in the work. My first event that I did, I had photocopies of the link manual or like a little Facebook page, and I taped it on my table, and that was my information that I gave out. I didn't have a waiver. I didn't have, so don't follow my guidelines, but it's doable if you put in the work.
So when you say put in the work, what are your best tips for somebody starting?
Um, just study the material, take a good course, a reputable course. Follow the instructions. If you don't know what you're doing, then YouTube is a wonderful place to go. I call it my YouTube university. Attend the conferences; they're great. The mastermind event was amazing. And when the opportunity arises, you gotta do search. You can search any town in the United States. They have events everywhere. Like I can tell you, I have events throughout the year signed up, and I can sign up for more if I wanted to, but I don't need to do it anymore. So
Awesome. And she's mentioned the mastermind multiple times. That's actually called our PJ Inner Circle. It's for permanent jewelry artists making 10 to 20K a month. And so if you're interested in that, you feel free to apply or let me know in the comments. But yes, so you did the Inner Circle, and then what made you kind of stop doing so many events this year? Are you just kind of
no, I'm doing bigger events.
bigger events? Okay.
Yeah, so instead of doing an event, a small event like I was doing schools or mom and children or birthday parties or whatever, I decided to do bigger events that are longer
Okay.
and is paying off. So I'm trying a different perspective, a different technique this year because I have a mobile unit. So it's not like it's easier to not set up a tent. Setting
Okay.
up a tent is very difficult. Tearing it down. This way I can just go to the event, park my trailer, work out of my mobile trailer. Everything is built in. I have cabinets, I have my jewelry, and I just close it at the end of the day and I go home and I come back the next morning and I work and everything is set up. And so it's much easier to do bigger events like that. And I can bring help and it's the better, it's a more comfortable way of doing it. So I've discovered that it was a good investment for me.
Awesome. And so when you're at an event, what chains are usually the most popular? Is it sterling silver? Is it gold filled?
It depends. For example, festivals, um, 14 karat gold filled and sterling silver are the most popular ones. At the car show, because there's so much men in different type of age category. Sterling silver and stainless steel was the best sellers. So I suggest having a little bit of everything. I did get asked at the car show from a lot of different people if I had 14 karat gold, and I just happened to do. So I kept that. That's how you make some good money, but I don't recommend stocking a lot of different 14 karat gold. I only had two different chains. I had enough feet to make like enough money, and then I restocked as I sold.
Okay, awesome. So for those who are on the fence, they're like, I want to do a permanent jewelry business. I'm just nervous. So I don't know if it's going to work out. What would you tell them?
I would just tell them that if you have the passion to be a people's person and work and put the hard work in, just go for it. It's easy. It's it's not easy in the working part at the beginning, but it's easy if you're studying. Um, it's really zero overhead. You can do it by yourself, or you can hire um, your husband to come with you, your partner, whatever, to be your little checkout person. So it really takes you and somebody else. Or I went to a lot of events by myself. So, and it does take time to do it all, but I was solo and I took my chances and I didn't think twice about it. And I'm not thinking twice about it. I mean, I'm just moving forward.
And last question, making, I'm guessing, more money than you ever have last year in 1 year.
Yes.
How did that change your life?
Oh, tremendously. I've been able to, for example, I bought my mobile unit cash. I was able to sell my old car and buy me a new car, pay for it cash. I've been able to pay off all my credit cards and my debt. I just have my house and it's just wonderful. I
That's
get to
awesome.
travel.
Congrats.
I take 2 months at a time off. And I just came back from a trip in Costa Rica, 10 days, and I'm going to Puerto Rico for 2 weeks. And I get to come here and be with you guys, and it's wonderful.
Yeah. Man, I remember sitting with you at lunch, at the permanent makeup conference. It's hard not to get emotional when I'm hearing that. So
I know.
that's awesome. So I'm happy for you, and
Thank
thank you for
you.
sharing your story.
You're welcome.